Outstanding design defines the 2015 BMW 428i. This four-door, five-passenger coupe leads among competitors in its segment. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, a power liftgate, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.